Google Analytics tool and solution for your business. Do you want to increase the traffic to your website? However, I'm not sure where to start. Don't worry, the solution is to start with information and statistics, rather than making modifications based on your desires. The popularity of the internet has grown to the point that there are about 40 million sites that use Google Analytics. But many consumers are as uninformed as you are. So, today, I'll break down the most relevant information and advice to assist you in improving the performance and conversion rate of your website. Belonging of visitors. We may believe that all of our consumers are from the local market, but this isn't always the truth. To locate this, go to the Audience tab on the sidebar, then to Geo, and finally to Location. The map overlay option in the Nation view is useless, because it provides no information about your visitors. Narrowing this down to the local level, on the other hand, will provide more accurate and exact information on the target audience. Simply select City from the Maps drop-down menu. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.